So now let's see how we can utilize the equalize effect inside of Corel Draw. So for that, I'm going to go around and import out an image right here. So I'm going to go around onto import, and let me just go around and bring in this particular image right here, just like this. So now in order to go ahead and apply the equalize effect, first of all, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here, and then you need to go around onto adjust. And over here, you can see that equalize is an option. So once you go around onto equalize, you can see that immediately it actually goes around and then darkens out this particular image right here. So now let me just go ahead onto the properties itself right here. And in equalize, if I were to see the before, you can see that it is much more brighter. And as I were to apply it, you can see that the bright contents become darker, and the darker contents are actually the details actually pop up right here, just like this. So now over here, you can also see that you can change around the equalize options right here. You can go around and preserve out the color, as you can see right here, just like this, and then change around the values according to how you want as well. So you can go around and change around the values right here, just like this, and make it much more brighter right here, just like this as well. You can choose the equalize model, so you can go for uniform model, which makes the image colors more uniform, or you can go for hyperbolic as well, just like this. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can preserve out the color right here, and apart from that, you can also go around and equalize out individual colors as well. So you can see that right now it's red right here. You can move on the sliders right here. You can go for green, as you can see right here. So you equalize out the green right here, and you can equalize out the blue, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So hyperbolic or uniform right here, just like this. Or you can go for RGB right here and preserve out the colors right here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So right now it is equalizing. You can preserve out the colors, and then you can utilize the sliders to get the level of detail that you want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the equalize effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.